Our today's topic is ecosystem. The relationship between living organisms and their environment make up an ecosystem. There are two components of an ecosystem. One is biotic and second is abiotic. Biotic components. The living things of an ecosystem such as plants, animals, and microorganisms are called the biotic part of an ecosystem. Abiotic components. All non-living factors such as water, air, soil, sunlight, wind, all these are the abiotic part of an ecosystem. Living together. Biotic interaction for food. Organisms affect the lives of other organisms living in the same environment. Often, one organism cannot live without another different type of organism. For example, fungi need dead plants and animals to feed on, and sheep need grass. So, almost all animals depend directly or indirectly for their food on plants. They may eat plants as food or feed on organisms which fed on plants. As this is shown on a food web, that how some organisms depend on other organisms. Biotic components of an ecosystem. The biotic components in an ecosystem consist of producers, consumers, and decomposers. Plants are called the producers because they produce food for themselves as well as others. Consumers. Nearly all animals depend directly or indirectly for food on producers, therefore, they are called consumers. However, they are divided into two types. Primary consumers means herbivores such as goats, sheep, rabbits, cows, and elephants are called primary consumers because they eat only plants. On the other hand, secondary consumers are carnivores such as fox, leopards, lion, hawks, and eagles because they eat herbivores. This picture is showing the producers and different types of consumers. Decomposers and scavengers. Decomposers, certain bacteria and fungi, cause the decay of dead plants and animals. Termites, earthworms, woodlice, millipedes, slugs may feed on dead plants material. On the other hand, scavengers also break down dead animals into smaller pieces. And the examples of scavengers are vultures, hyenas, and these type of creatures feed on dead animals.